am here on the topic of waterproofing solutions. So everyone might be knowing, I have been introducing myself as a waterproofing category, waterproofing. So I am here to explain what is waterproofing. So what is waterproofing? Waterproofing is a process. It's making a structure. It is water resistant and it remains relatively unaffected by water or resisting the ingress of the water inside the building. So it's nothing in a simple way. It's called as we are holding an umbrella to our building. So that's a simple way of waterproofing. So what is umbrella that we are using as an applicator and we are using the chemicals. So and why do we need waterproofing? There are three different ways for structure, aesthetics, and health hazards. In structural way, so to increase the durability of concrete, reduce chemical attack, and eventually causes failure and collapse. So in aesthetics way, we have poor interior and exterior damages and everything. If the interior works are done, if the water seepages, the water it will damage the whole wardrobe or everything. And expensive paints which we apply, everything it will be damaged as per the aesthetics. So health hazards, in the health hazards it causes growth of algae, fungus, and high humidity and less ventilation contribute to bacterial growth. So here there are different ways where the waterproofing causes structural damages. And the first picture there is a show of corrosion of steel reinforcement. So in the beams and all, when the water penetrates into the beams, the rods which are acting as a skeleton of our body, the same way the building has a skeleton and rods act as a skeleton, these rods are affected due to water seepages. And blistering of paint. Blistering of paint is whatever the putties we apply in a wall or ceilings, that all it causes bulges in the putty. And dampness on wall. These are the fungus caused in the wall. It increases randomly in the year by year. So we have to do the precautions before and after both ways. And these are the basic steps which we do in the waterproofing. That is surface preparation. Surface preparation like cleaning. For example, I take as a sunken slab, which we do in toilet areas. So these areas we prepare the surface during using chisels and all, surface preparation. And board packing is nothing but whatever the outer sewage lines, pipes and all, these lines are board packed. So these chemicals which we use is the SBR, and the next stage is the defect rectification. So defect rectification, these are the common ways. There are minor cracks in slabs, everything which occurs. These cracks are treated well on the third stage. And the fourth is coving. Coving is nothing but the perpendicular area, like the bottom slab and the vertical slab. These areas are where the junction comes, we do the coving in the cement using a mix of cement, sand and SBR chemical. And the fourth stage is primer coat. So primer coat, I will explain which type of primer we are going to use here. And the primer coat is one coat of application towards the wall and the floor. And the sixth stage is the corner treatment. Corner treatment is whatever I mentioned, like a coving we do in the vertical and the perpendicular where the junction comes. That area will be done with the stick-on tapes. So stick-on tapes are applied in order to protect the coving which we are doing. And the seventh one is waterproofing coat. Waterproofing coat is an application after the primer coat, and there is a two coats of applications. And the bonding test. This is a major test which we consider in the sunken slab. So bonding test is what we call it. Once all the treatments are done, the water is made to remain stagnant for the 24-hour period. So the top area will be marked, and the next day on the 24 hours, we are going to check if the water is reduced or it will be stagnant in the same position. This is and PU-based waterproofing. In the cementitious-based waterproofing, we do we use a product which is a 100-year-old company, and it's based on France. It's a Saint-Gobain Weber company, and we use the product. They are product for doing all those cementitious waterproofing, acrylic and PU-based waterproofing. And in the cementitious based waterproofing, it is two component. It is generally used in toilet areas and balcony, terrace, bathrooms, water tanks, slope roofs. And this is the picture which we have shown is a cementitious based waterproofing. And this is the primer which I mentioned, which we use as a base coat for waterproofing. And acrylic based waterproofing are the both areas which we use as acrylic. And this is the sample piece which we have given for the acrylic, and these finishes which we will get during the application. These are mainly applied on the roof terraces and balconies. So this is a picture which we have different colors like white, terracotta and grey, and also it will be helped in super white color as well. This position we can use to reduce the heat transfer and waterproofing as areas. This is the picture which shown for the PU-based waterproofing. And a difference between acrylic and PU-based is acrylic has the 150% elongation capacity, while PU has around 500 to 600% elongation capacity. So you can test